Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in Plata Maryland right now. I have an open house. I can't wait to show you guys. I know it's been a while. I think you're gonna love this house. We have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 full, 2 half, 2 floors, and we actually have a whole nother side house on the side that I can't wait to show you guys. And of course, we have to give a huge shout out to their listing agent, Adrian Sims, and we thank you so much again for letting us showcase this beautiful home. So before we jump in, you already know the drill. Welcome to Maryland. So as you enter the home, you have a nice small foyer, and then you turn to your right, you have your dining room area, your kitchen area, and actually a little bar top. Now, if you were to turn to the left instead of the right, you have your first full bathroom, as well as you have a bedroom to your left, bedroom to your right, and that door right there will actually lead you to a nice little sunroom. And before we get to that wonderful sunroom, I want to show you the beautiful living room. So much space, so much style, and you can make it yours. Let's take a look. This door right here through the living room shows you the sunroom. And as you see on the outside, you definitely have a little deck right there. Now we have just entered the best room in the house, the master bedroom with walk-in closet and his and her sinks. Okay. That's his right there. Of course, the guy always gets the smaller sink. Jacuzzi tub. We still have the shower. And then her sink over there. Have a 2-car garage, so much space. And then let's go to the basement. We are now in this very, very large basement, so much room, long walkway all the way down. So much room, so many possibilities. Let's take a look. Storage space. Bathroom. Full shower. A whole nother bedroom. So much space. So much space. Bedroom. You can do what you want. You have a closet right here. And so much more storage. As you see, I was not playing. A lot of storage, so much room. You can make it another room if you wanted to. And don't forget, you have an entrance to your backyard if you need to get back there. So yes, that's the house right there. But now we're gonna go right across the driveway to the other part of the unit. Let's take a look. So now I'm in the garage of the second unit. So much space. If you have a business, you can start doing some stuff here. Wood shop, construction, so much room. And let's go upstairs where someone pretty much has their own sports bar, their own place to themselves. And this is going to be the guy lounge. So now I'm in the upstairs part of this unit. You probably can't see me. Yes, you have to get some light, but you already see the TV mounted. See the little bar area, fridge. The LED lights are on the side. Got the AC unit over there. This is pretty much a whole guy lounge right up here, all to yourself. Think about it. Something unique that I did not notice, I'm gonna be honest. As you see, I put the open house sign right here, and if you look right behind, that's a little personal graveyard right there. I believe in God, so I ain't worried. I'm like Jesus Christ, so we're not worried about that. But if anybody is interested, just know that's what they do around here, I guess. So if you weren't free to come pull up on us in La Plata, but you live in the area, I just gave you a quick open house tour. I can give you a private one if you need. Just message me, shoot me a DM on Instagram, or write me on YouTube. I'm checking every little comment. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay blessed.